The union representing managers down at the Bahamas Telecommunications Company spent the afternoon trying to have former senior manager in the company's legal department, Elizabeth Thompson, reinstated. However, BTC executives are sticking to their guns. Bahamas Communications and Public Managers Union President Talbot Cawley told ZNS News that today's meeting was a last-ditch effort and he's not happy with the outcome. But ultimately, Mr. Cawley says the union will do what it has to do in order to ensure Ms. Thompson is treated fairly.
We have since appealed to management in writing. A trade dispute has subsequently been filed. We have come this afternoon, we just came out of a meeting with BTC's management asking, to reconsider their position, even an interim reinstatement while they are seeking, further clarification or advice on this matter. They have rejected that, and we're at the point that we are today. We have to do what we have to do.
Ms. Thompson was fired without cause, according to a letter issued to her on October 22nd, and she says she's confused about that, considering her performance was up to standard. Thompson was elected vice president of the BCPMU on October 4th. However, the union says there's nothing in law which prevents her from holding that post and a senior management position. And the union says Ms. Thompson's termination is not only in breach of the industrial agreement with BTC, but the country's labor laws as well. The union's attorney, Glendon Roll, believes justice will prevail, though.
The significant point here is that this is the first time in history that someone would have been dismissed from the union, actually without cause. It is quite a contrary to the agreement and a blatant disrespect to the agreement and, of course, to our laws here in the Bahamas. And so, therefore, we called upon the government, and, of course, we will do everything in our power with the constitutional and statutory to ensure that Ms. Elizabeth Thompson is reinstated back into her rightful position.
We are reviewed every year. If there were anything that I would have been told and ought to have been given under the industrial agreement an opportunity to improve. That is never the case. It's never happened. And I check my file regularly. Have always done. That has been my modus operandi, just to ensure that I could make sure and know what it is that's on my file. And everything that's on my file, as far as I'm concerned, is of a stellar nature. I am a stellar employee.